Over the last few decades, humanity has developed technologies that we only used to see in science fiction movies. Among the most impressive advances are drones that fight fires from the air, printers that build houses in hours, and motorcycles that literally fly over our cities. But what makes these technologies so extraordinary? Why are they generating so much impact and transforming entire industries before our eyes? In this video, I'll show you the 8 most impactful inventions that are redefining the limits of what's possible. Technologies so advanced they seem taken from a futuristic movie, but they're already operating and changing the world at this very moment. Number 8. EHang Firefighting Multicopter. Imagine a fire on the 50th floor of a skyscraper where firefighters can't reach, time is running out, and victims are waiting desperately. It's precisely in these critical moments where this Chinese invention that defies gravity and danger comes in. The EHang Firefighting Multicopter is a massive drone capable of transporting up to 150 kilos of firefighting equipment directly to the most inaccessible areas. But what's truly revolutionary goes far beyond its cargo capacity. It doesn't just carry hoses and extinguishers, but can spray pressurized water while flying over the flames. This multicopter has already been tested in real situations in China, putting out fires that would have taken hours to control by traditional methods. What's most impressive is that its autonomous navigation system allows it to operate even with zero visibility, something completely impossible for conventional helicopters, and it can also be deployed in less than 3 minutes from the alert, which means saving lives while human teams are barely getting ready. The question isn't if it will change rescue operations, but when we'll see one flying over our cities. Number 7. Icon Vulcan 2 Printer. What if you could print a complete house in less than 24 hours? Sounds absurd, right? Well, the American company Icon is already making it a reality with its giant 3D printer Vulcan 2, a technological monster that doesn't print toys or small parts, but builds habitable concrete structures layer by layer with millimetric precision. The Vulcan 2 is revolutionizing the construction industry in a way few imagined possible, eliminating weeks of manual labor, reducing waste by 95%, and most importantly, making it viable to build affordable housing in record time. It has already raised entire communities in Texas, and what's most surprising is that it's being considered by NASA to build shelters on the moon. Yes, you heard that right, the moon. This invention not only addresses the global housing crisis, it's also preparing the infrastructure for space colonization. What's fascinating about all this is that its designs don't follow the limitations of traditional architecture, allowing the creation of curved shapes, organic structures, and geometries impossible for conventional methods. We're facing a paradigm shift where the houses of the future are grown, as if they were plants, emerging from the ground in just a few hours. Number 6. Guardian Exo. Remember the movies where soldiers wore exoskeletons that turned them into supermen? Sarcos Robotics has turned that fantasy into reality with the Guardian Exo, a motorized industrial exoskeleton that allows a human being to lift up to 100 kilos as if they were feathers, without effort, without injuries, and without limits. This robotic suit runs on batteries that last 8 hours and responds to every user movement in real time thanks to hyper-advanced sensors, allowing port workers, warehouse personnel, and maintenance technicians to perform tasks that previously required complete teams or heavy machinery. What it truly represents is something much deeper. We're talking about the democratization of superhuman strength. What's most unsettling and amazing at the same time is how it blurs the line between human and machine, because while you're wearing it, your capabilities multiply without your body suffering the wear and tear. Automotive companies are already testing it to reduce workplace injuries, and the next step seems inevitable. Military, rescue, and medical versions that take us to an era where physical weakness could become optional. Number 5. HoverSurf S3 Scorpion. The moment many of us were waiting for has arrived. Flying motorcycles are no longer science fiction. The HoverSurf S3 Scorpion, designed in Russia, is a real hoverbike that can lift you up to 10 meters off the ground and reach speeds of 96 kilometers per hour, looking like it came straight out of Star Wars, but already being tested by police departments in Dubai. This vehicle works with 4 electric thrusters that generate controlled thrust through artificial intelligence to maintain stability even in adverse conditions. What's most notable is that the pilot doesn't need an aviation license thanks to its semi-autonomous system that prevents dangerous maneuvers. This opens up possibilities like police patrols that arrive in seconds to emergencies avoiding traffic, or personalized air ambulance services. What's truly disruptive about all this is that its price is dropping rapidly. What started as a $500,000 prototype now aims for costs comparable to a sports car. We're talking about transforming urban mobility in 3 dimensions, where congested streets could become a thing of the past when the sky becomes the new highway. Number 4. Ocean Cleanup Interceptor 006. The oceans are drowning in 11 million tons of plastic every year, but Boyan Slat, a young Dutch inventor, didn't accept that fate. His creation, the Interceptor 006, is an autonomous solar-powered ship that traps plastic waste before it reaches the sea, directly in rivers, operating 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without human intervention. This intelligent floating barrier can extract up to 100 tons of waste per day from the world's most polluted river currents, using AI algorithms to optimize its position according to currents and sensors that distinguish between trash and aquatic fauna. It's already operating in rivers in Indonesia, the Dominican Republic, and Jamaica, places where the largest volumes of plastic flow into the ocean. What's most revolutionary isn't just the technology, but the implementation model. Each interceptor paid for by corporate sponsors cleans rivers at no cost to local governments. We're looking at a perfect example of how technological innovation and environmental responsibility can merge, and if 100 of these were deployed, we could intercept 80% of global river plastic. Number 3. Zipline P2 Zip. Now pay attention because this is going to impress you. Zipline, the company that already delivers blood and medicines with drones in Africa, has just launched the P2 Zip, a precision delivery drone that lands without landing. Sounds contradictory, but what it does is really ingenious. This device flies to your location, stops in the air, and lowers the package with a cable in an area of barely half a square meter, being able to leave it on your balcony, garden, or even on a rooftop. With a range of 20 kilometers and capacity to transport up to 3 kilos, the P2 Zip is reinventing last-mile logistics in ways that seemed impossible just a few years ago. Pharmacies sending urgent medications, restaurants delivering hot food in minutes, hospitals receiving organs for transplant. The applications are endless, and the best part is that it generates almost zero carbon emissions compared to ground vehicles. What's most surprising of all is that Zipline is negotiating with cities in the United States to replace delivery motorcycle fleets, which leads us to imagine a sky full of these silent drones delivering everything you need in minutes. Utopia or dystopia? You decide, but the truth is that the future of instant delivery is already here. Number 2. Boston Dynamics Spot Arm. If you've seen videos of robots walking, you probably know Spot, the robot dog from Boston Dynamics, but now it has a robotic arm that turns it into something completely different. An autonomous industrial worker capable of opening doors, manipulating objects, turning valves and pressing buttons, basically interacting with infrastructure designed for humans. Spot with its arm is already inspecting nuclear plants, oil platforms, and subway tunnels without risking human lives in toxic or dangerous environments. Its 3D navigation system allows it to move through terrains impossible for wheeled robots, and what's most impressive is that its AI learns from each mission, becoming more efficient over time. Mining companies are already using it to explore unstable tunnels before sending workers, demonstrating its value in the most extreme situations. What's most fascinating and disturbing at the same time is how this robot blurs the line between tool and collaborator, because it doesn't replace humans, but assists them in tasks that no human should do. However, it raises an inevitable question. If a robot can walk like a dog, see like a human, and work like an engineer, how long until they become a regular part of our lives? The answer might be less than you think. Number 1. Honda Uni 1. The Honda Uni 1 isn't a car or a motorcycle or a scooter. It's something completely new. A hands-free personal mobility device with a single wheel that's controlled by the simple shift of body weight. It looks like it came out of a Black Mirror episode, but Honda has already begun its commercialization in Japan since September 2025, and it's being tested in theme parks, shopping centers, and entertainment spaces. This device weighs approximately 70 kilos, transports up to 110 kilos, and reaches 6 kilometers per hour through body tilt. What's most fascinating is that it has a seat that raises and lowers. In the high position, the user is at eye level with a standing person, moving in all directions with both hands free, while in the low position it facilitates interaction with seated people or small children. What's truly revolutionary is what it represents: mobility without physical effort for people with reduced mobility, the elderly, and workers who cover long distances. The Uni 1 isn't just technology, it's a new concept of what it means to move. And if this is just the beginning, what does the future hold for us? One thing is certain: the world is changing faster than we can process. We've seen the 8 most revolutionary inventions that are transforming our world at this very moment. From drones that fight fires in skyscrapers to mobility devices that redefine how we move, each of these innovations represents an extraordinary leap toward the future we're only beginning to imagine. Now tell me, what do you think about these technologies? Which one impacted you the most and why? Leave me your opinion in the comments. If you liked this video, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos about the fascinating world of technological innovations that are redefining what's possible. See you in the next one.